Hi there, my name is Ana-Marcela Lopez. I'm the Assistant Editor and an Outreach Associate here at Colleges of Distinction, and I want to talk to you about what it was like to go to a College of Distinction. I went to St. Edward's University where I studied English literature, and while there were so many great experiences, my favorites were my freshman seminar, my writing courses, and the Career Services Office. When I was a freshman, I took a Global Film and Literature seminar that was also connected to my rhetoric and composition class. And as a literature major, I knew I was going to have to do a lot of writing, but surprisingly, most of my favorite writing courses were outside of my major. My absolute favorite being my capstone class. I was inspired and challenged academically in a way that I hadn't been before, and I was really proud of the work that I created. And to top it all off, the Career Services Office at St. Edward's helped me create a resume and a LinkedIn profile that actually helped me get this job. So St. Edward's was the perfect school for me. Use Colleges of Distinction to help you find the right school for you. To find more great schools, visit collegesofdistinction.com.